Inside this foundry, a worker approaches the blazing furnace with his forklift. As he positions the load to pour it into the molten metal bath, everything seems under control until one small detail changes everything. On this industrial site, a truck is reversing straight toward a man who doesn't see it coming. In just seconds, something unexpected is about to happen. On this construction site, a worker is guiding a pipeline into an unsecured trench. Suddenly, danger strikes from the last place you'd expect. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video and stay safe out there.